that we need to go. So we're going to do our 4 side here. So once again, click on L, and we can kind of do the same thing we did with the last one. So we got 4 dots there. So I'm going to hit escape, click on this, hit X, hit our dimension between this line and this line. Once again, 6.25. And we're going to have an L over here. Okay, escape, hit X, do our dimensions again. .25. Hit our L. Hopefully everyone is catching on what we are doing here. And let's go here. Okay, and do 6.25. All right, so now we just need to put our circles. So C, click on it. Let's do our dimensions of 4. C again. Do our dimension 4. C, go right from that spot. And we'll hit 4. Okay, so now finish that sketch. Once again, hit Q. We're going to, hopefully it will, oh, I see. Now, let's edit this sketch. I think you saw something there. Okay, we do not want to make that a construction line. Somehow we did. So if you hit X again, this should make it solid. I don't know if you noticed that. I've never seen that happen. So let's try this again. So construction lines you can't push pull. So we're going to learn that real quick. Hit Q, click there, hold down Command, one more time, hit -1, and there we go.